Sunday afternoon. We've got friends coming over for a bit of a barbecue, so we've got some kebabs we're making today. We've got pork, we've got mushrooms, red and green peppers, and red onion, smoked salmon. We prepared this yesterday. This is the fish we caught last Father's Day. I brined it in, I soaked it in the sugar and potatoes out of our garden for some nice baked potatoes to go with it all as well, and some sweet corn. Corn, yeah, and that's our corn there. So we're just going to get back to making our kebabs. We've got some seasoning on the chicken. We're going to keep the meat separate, chicken on one kebab and then pork on the other. That's pork loin there. Nice tender pork loin. And a variety of colours going on to the kebab. Mushrooms. We've got our friends coming over about an hour, so we'll be ready to go by then. Here's my little smoker. This goes on the barbecue. The fish is going to go on here, and we've got the wood chips on here. I've got the little bowl of wood chips here, oak smoking chips, more like a sawdust if anything. So I'll just sprinkle some of that on there. 1.5 tablespoons. Put my tray back over it, and then we'll put the fish. Just about fits. We'll put the fish in the smoker. Try not to touch the sides because it kind of sticks. Cut that bit. I have my salmon in the smoker. That'll go on the edge of the barbecue on the side burner. It'll take about 20 minutes to 30 minutes depending on how thick the salmon is. We're just going to smoke it very slowly and very gently. This will be a hot smoke. And that should be tasty, very tasty. And that is coho. There we go, we've got everything loaded up. There's the smoker. It's on a very low heat. See the smoke coming out now, the salmon's in there. There's our kebabs. Baked potatoes on the top, sweet corn. Give that a bit of a turn actually. That one ran a bit low. There we go. Mum is not going to be happy when she sees what's in the garden at the moment. Let's sneak out as if they're there still. eating mum's vegetables. See if I can get them out of the garden. Looks like one of them is a small buck. Bucks come into town this time of year because they can't be hunted. You can only hunt a buck in Canada. Females are safe. Let's just slowly walk them out of the garden. I mean, we've tried to block off the entrance to the garden with trailers and boats. I don't know how they're getting in. There's a raspberry over raspberry, well, don't get attacked by him. Maybe I'll go this way round. Don't want to corner them. Hey, bugger off. Leave mum's beans alone. They come after the fruit and flowers. There we go. So I tried to block off the yard. I'm going to have to move the trailer a little bit. And they go around the front. Damn the buggers. Oh, they're off up the road. Yeah.